So today we're gonna test if we can lift this fridge with this instant grab adhesive. Let's see. So this video is about instant grab. So can we lift this fridge with our extreme tack immediately? We have around 5 minutes to finish the job and apply the pressure to the surface. Because after 5 minutes it starts to cure and then the adhesion power will be decreasing. So here we go. Euro pallet in almost its original purpose. There's so much adhesive that it requires some force, so it actually will spread. Normally it spreads very well, but with this amount of adhesive, it's a little bit different story. And now we are going to lift it. Let's see. It's working. Let's try to drop it. Yep. Let's investigate. All right, honest review. So we see here that there is a lot of surface that hasn't properly gripped. The pressure we applied was not even enough. Maybe this one here is actually not fully straight. If we would do this again and we apply evenly and apply the pressure correctly, this will work. 5 minutes. And 5 centimeters, yeah. Yep.